Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect make.com to Slack step by step clearly. To connect make.com to Slack, start by logging into your make.com account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. In the Integrations section, search for Slack in the available integrations list. Click on the Slack integration to open its settings. Next, choose the option to create a new scenario. You will be prompted to add a module to your scenario. In the module search bar, type Slack and select it from the list. Now, choose the specific Slack action you want to perform, such as sending a message. After selecting the action, you will need to connect your Slack account. Click on that Add button to start the connection process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize make.com to access your Slack workspace. Review the permissions requested, then click Allow to grant access. Once authorized, return to the make.com interface. You should see your Slack account listed as connected. Now, customize the module settings based on your needs, such as selecting the channel for the message. If necessary, fill in any required fields for the Slack action you've chosen. To test the connection, click on the Run Once button at the bottom of the screen. Check your Slack workspace to confirm that the message or action was successfully executed. If everything looks good, you can save your scenario. Finally, turn on your scenario to enable automation between make.com and Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.